So what is a good interest rate? That's a great question. It's a hot topic right now. I mean, interest rates are at an all-time low. So you can get a pretty good idea about what interest rates look like. Probably, type it in a quick Google search. There's a ton of information out there to show what they're at. In the industry today, it's gonna be pretty close. With all the lenders that you go to, the interest rate is, there's not too much of a variance if the lender is giving you a par rate. That is, you aren't paying any points to the lender and they're not charging you any cash to get the interest rate. I'll explain that a little more. Sometimes companies will offer different programs, different incentives. They can give you cash, closing cost assistance, whatever it is. Sometimes what they'll do is they'll bake that into the interest rate. So you'll see that you can get some cash out of the deal or credit, but then if you compare that loan to another loan with no credits, the one without the credits might have a lower interest rate. A good interest rate is something that's going to work for your scenario. If you need the money out, it could make sense to take a higher interest rate if you're going to get the home. I recently bought a home. They could have given me a 10% interest rate. I probably still would have did the deal because I got such a good deal on my house. The bottom line is, as long as it makes sense to what your scenario is, and it's pretty on par with what rates are going for, then it'll probably be a good rate. So I know you want a number, right? That's exactly what you want out of this video. Unfortunately, there is a lot that goes into what makes up your interest rate, your credit, your debt to income ratio, the loan to value on the home. There's a ton that goes into how an investor is gonna price your loan and what your interest rate's gonna come back at. You're gonna have to talk to a trusted lender, have them run your scenario, and they'll be able to give you some options, and really then you're gonna be able to see what a great interest rate is. So I hope you learned something today. If you do have any more questions or you'd like to set up an appointment with myself, you can go to hyperfastmortgage.com. Again, my name's Dustin Brown. I'm a loan officer with USA Mortgage, and we're a trusted partner of the Keri Shull Real Estate Team. We'll talk to you soon.
Thanks for sticking around to the end of our video. If you're interested in more videos like this, click here. And if you want to subscribe, click down here. We look forward to talking to you soon. And make sure you comment below. We always respond and look forward to hearing from you.